Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you the steps you should follow if you want to submit an Octane scene to be rendered using RebusFarm. I will use here Max 2019 and Octane 2019, but the same process should be applicable with other versions too. Let's open the Render Setup and check our render settings. Under the Kernel tab, we need to set our max samples. This parameter will affect the render time and the quality, and it depends on your scene, so you might need some testing for that before submitting. In this case, we will use 300. Click on the Common tab, and for the render output, make sure Save File is checked. Then press Files to define the output name and render format. We will use EXR format, but feel free to use any other format. When all is set, press Save. Now we're ready to submit the job. From the RebusFarm toolbar, press Render Now to open RebuFarm Farminizer Setup. Please refer to our previous videos for more info about submitting using 3ds Max. In this case, I will just make sure to activate Auto Start so the rendering process will automatically start as soon as the uploading is done. Then hit the Render button. New window will open for RebusFarm messages to show all relevant info, warnings, and errors your scene might have. As everything is fine, we can send it to RebusFarm. You can check the progress of the uploading and rendering by visiting the Control Center. After uploading, waiting a few minutes for the rendering process, I got my image rendered. Let's open the downloaded render to check the rendered image. And here it is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. Here are also some other videos that might interest you. To keep up to date with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.